do have a pretty calm start to the week here. We will have the chance for some rain as we head through the next few days, but we do need some rain and could be some beneficial rain in a few spots, but doesn't necessarily look to be widespread. We are going to have temperatures held close to normal the next few days, but then as we head into the end of the week, we ended up going back up. And as we were having our first week of fall, we're heading into some more summery territory once again. We do have some areas of fog out there this morning, which is very typical of the fall season, and there are some spots where visibility is down. This is not really representative of what's happening around the area, where the Dubuque Airport saying 10 miles for visibility. The Mississippi is telling a different story, so I think this is going to be the case when you're traveling on some of those long open stretches of road, some of the open rural areas, the riverbanks, the valleys and such. You're going to run into these pockets of dense fog, so be prepared to see visibilities change as you're driving today. It may not be the same exactly where you're heading. We will have, though, that fog clearing up in the next couple of hours by around 9 a.m. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds out there for the day today. Temperatures are going to warm up as we have a southwest wind, and we're starting off at a nice place here. It's pretty comfortable with some mid to upper 50s on the board right now. As we get into this afternoon, we'll climb into the mid to upper 70s, so we do end up a bit above normal today, and we'll have some more clouds increasing as we head into this evening, with a chance for rain increasing as well. We will start off dry though, and as we get to 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll start to see some scattered showers, perhaps a thunderstorm out there. And we do have a system that's moving rather slowly, so there's not much that's pushing this along. Similar to what we saw on Friday when we had a confirmed tornado in Blairstown, that storm just sat. It was moving slow, so it started dumping some heavy rain, and we could see the same situation here in terms of the rainfall, that we could have some very slow movers today and tomorrow. We'll have the chance for some additional showers and storms tomorrow as well. Going to be a bit more in terms of the coverage, and that'll be the case Tuesday afternoon and evening. And then on Wednesday, there may be some spotty activity just kind of left behind as that system starts to exit. In terms of rainfall totals, as I mentioned, it could be beneficial in some spots. If we have these slow movers, could put down around a ½ an inch of rain, or even some higher amounts possible in some thunderstorms. You can see out in Dubuque, predictor showing around 2½ inches of rain. So I do think that activity is going to be isolated, but there could still be some spots that pick up several tenths in a short amount of time due to these slow moving storms here. And it's because the low pressure system is cut off from the jet stream, so it doesn't have anything pushing it along, a front or anything. So it's just kind of meandering, and as a result, it's leading to these chances for rain continuing here over the next few days. High pressure will eventually move in and push it along, and that's going to lead to the storm track also sitting up to our north, and the high pressure system will lead to temperatures warming as we head into the end of September and beginning of October. So we are going to have above normal temperatures today. We're closer to normal in the 70s with some nice afternoons, some crisp evenings as we head through the middle of the week, and then we start to warm up through the 80s with sunshine as we head into the weekend.